This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, an 8-speaker stereo system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.